College curls.
All of your voluminous twist outs, braid outs, curl formers, flexi rod sets, and other curl popping creations are no doubt gorgeous and deserve their time in the spotlight. But some stylings that are equally important and get a slightly less glamorous rap are those that protect our ends. End protection is critical at all stages of your natural hair journey, but especially so whenever you're trying to achieve some length or reach certain hair health goals. Want more moisturized curls? Don't forget those ends. Need to cut down your detangling time? Don't rip out your ends in the process. Aiming for overall health? Then aim to include extra love to those ends. And this can be super easy to do by incorporating the styles you saw earlier and using creams, butters, or oils like Jamaican black castor oil, grapeseed, or jojoba on them to seal in their moisture and help prevent splitting. For daily natural hair tips and exclusive hair care content, click the link in the description box below to join us on Patreon.